Today we're taking a walk on a disused rail line. At least I hope it's disused. I think you can tell that it is very much overgrown. We're just going to go for a walk straight down and back just to get a little bit of exercise. Let's go. What this railway line does make you wonder about is, was this used for freight? Passengers? I'm going to have to investigate where it came from and where it's going to. I don't think it's been used probably in close to 80 to 100 years. I'll find out some more. Down to our right, as we're walking, we have some lovely paths down there and some further trees. Now and again, as we walk, you see paths that go off. But we're going to keep to the main unused rails. Now and again, when I'm walking, I come across one of these tags, and I really don't know what it is. If anybody has an idea, please let me know. I don't know if you can hear, but we have a nice bubbling brook down below this rail line. One of the things that you did as a kid was balance on the rails. No, I'm going to fall off. No, I'm off. One of the things I will say is it's early September and it's very hot and humid. Would I recommend going for a walk here? Not at this time of year. It's very, very buggy. I couldn't even wear my beret because it would get too hot. But yes, I would recommend later in the year when there's a lot less bugs. I've used almost a whole can of off trying to get rid of these, but they're still bothering me. Sometimes I feel like we take things for granted. One of the most beautiful plants, in my opinion, are these ferns. They're so delicate and they're so pretty as well. I love seeing them. And as I was saying earlier, there's another one of these tags. Executive decision time. I've just stopped to have something to drink. There's quite a way to go down there, or I head back. And you know what? I'm going to head back. Simply because it's so hot and humid, and the mosquitoes and insects are really getting to me. So, mission abandoned. Okay, let's go. And if we didn't know it already, this rail line's definitely abandoned. If you look and see all the overgrown vegetation there, I think I'm fairly safe to walk on the tracks. It is hot and steamy. I realise it's been a time since I've done a shout out. So here's a shout out to one of my very good neighbours. Amy, you know who you are. Congratulations with your son going to college. What a great son to have. I wish him all the best for his college career. And yes, a big shout out to you. It's about here. The vegetation starts getting worse and worse as I try to make my way back to the road. Oh, looks like someone is having a party over there. It's very quiet at the moment, but I'm sure it will get busier. Back to the rail lines. Again, we're going through this overgrown stuff here. We're almost back to the road. We can see over there where the railroad tracks used to go. But now we're officially back to the middle of Dover. I'm back to Dover Centre and back to the Ron Burgundy Mobile. That was a bit of a shortened walk, but a nice one nevertheless. Even a bad walk is a good walk to get out there. Again, I'd recommend going in October, less bugs. See you next time. Don't forget, like, subscribe or comment. Thanks, bye.